Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting here, try to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload new content. Refer your network to this channel so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. Also like and comment and share so that I will have more motivation to produce quality content in future. Okay, today we dive on to how I make $10,000 plus in less than 1 hour. Boom, 500 price action trading. Okay, I'm going to dive and show you for live. This is real. This is live. Now look at what I did. I'm going to rotate the screen. You need to actually understand there are two forces. There are two major forces. When you are trading price action, there are two major forces: the long-term forces and the short-term forces. If you notice that the long-term forces is greater than the short-term forces, then follow the direction of the long-term forces. That will be the resultant. If I go to hedge for pretty much I go to daily, you discover that the resultant direction in the daily time frame is downtrend. The next question I will ask myself is this market on a retracement or on impulse? The answer is it is on an impulse, not retracement. The retracement part was actually this. This was the retracement part. It retested to the trend. I don't care the mini waves. I don't care how it managed to retrace. This is the biggest problem people have. You are just more of concerned about the path is take. It doesn't concern me. Let me change this. I'm going to change this. Actually, this signal was posted in the VIP, but that's by the way. People are trading it as I'm trading it in real time. Okay. Now I'm going to change the color of the retracement to a kind of blue. So this arrowed line, and we can use it to model a retracement. Why the green is impulsive? Because it's gonna give us profit. Now, if I model retracement with this line, that means this line represents a complex structure that that has been simplified with a line, meaning that this can represent a range. This can represent some mini trend, some minor trend. It can represent a trend. Like in this case, we call it a minor trend because okay, let me continue. It can represent a range, it can represent a trend, it can represent a momentum movement, it can represent a vertical movement, it can represent a line. So it represents a lot of complex structure. So for instance, in this case, it represents a trend. The retracement represents a trend, but it's not the main trend. You see, as it is trying to react to the major trend line, which is green in color, you notice that this market moves in a trend like this. It moves, it gets higher until it comes closer to that. Are you getting it? Okay. So just like this retracement, it moves in a trend manner because it gets high. Also, this one gets high in order to reach the long-term trend. Okay, so I prefer trading during the impulsive move than trading during the retracement move, because most retracement might end up not reaching the trend line and what the impulsive move is setting, just like what happened here. You see, it did not reach the trend line, but what made me enter this market is because of the breakout. It has broken the retracement structure. Just like what happened here, the retracement structure was also broken. I think I made a video about how Deriv manipulate markets. I will drop the video link. The Deriv manipulation, I will drop the link in the description of this video. So what happened? Somebody that is riding this retracement by trading the by buying it, like buying the dip. If you are not careful enough, this is gonna affect you. Like you are going to lose. Definitely, you are going to place your stop loss below this line. Meaning that no matter how you try to put the stop loss below this line, you are going to lose. You are going to lose. It's going to be taken out. See, yes, see it clearly. It just went through your stop loss line. Yeah. So, see what happened? If I go to 5 minutes time frame, we did a nice work. You see, we did a nice work. We did a nice work. This is an impulsive move because the breakout plus the fact that is in the direction of the major trend make it impulsive move. It break the major's retracement structure, meaning that the retracement is no longer holding, and then this is going to take out this low. It's going to take out that low. It's going to take out that low. Okay. Let me go to. Let me go to H1. It's going to take out this low. So I've not put my stop loss, but I'm going to put my stop loss above this trend line. But I'm going to use this swing above this swing so that even if it starts spiking, highest it will retest this trend line and make much more bigger move onto it. Goes here. Remember, when market is moving, it doesn't move in a straight line, so it can just come here and spike and retest to this trend line and then make another move to retest here, break here, come, it will keep making a structure like this. It will be making this type of structure, like it will do like this, it go up and down like a wave until it reach where it's going. So don't expect it to just spike and give you profit. Like don't expect it to just sell and give you profit. It will still retrace as any part a market is taking is making retracement, and it's making some retracement and some impulse retracement and so as it is moving down. If you go to 1 minute time frame, you will notice what I mean. If you go to 1 minute time frame, you will notice that this market, as it is moving, it doesn't move in a straight line. It make retracement. You see retrace, impulse, retrace, impulse, retrace, impulse, retrace, impulse, like that. So that's good. That's how I was able to achieve this goal. If you go to my profit, you see that on average I have made over $10,000 plus. On average, you see. On average, if you calculate, I leverage big because I know that it will work. I don't fear. I've died for this market, so I don't fear. I leverage because it's not going to spike. Yes. And what will make you to believe that it will spike because it is spiking in the retracement mode? Then you believe it is spiking because the broker have already stolen your mind. That is what you call broker psychology. Once it holds you, you will never make it. It's like they have bewitched your spirit. So they can't hold people like us. That's why you need to join our VIP and deliver yourself. You see. If you calculate on average, we have made over $10,000. Okay? We have made over $10,000 on average. If you look at the trade we place, by the time it hits the target, it would have reached more than $10,000. Okay? So because definitely I'm placing my take profit. Take profit 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. But that is not the end. It will take out this load, meaning that I can project it more, but to make sure that I didn't risk more, like, because it can come here and reverse. So that's why I have to use this zone as my take profit. Okay, so thank you. Keep subscribing to VIP. Keep subscribing to my channel. Keep doing the right thing. Buy my courses. Stop wasting your money to fake account managers that will promise you fake promises, and you waste your money, you lose your money, and you come back to me and start complaining. The only thing I will still tell you is to buy my course or join my VIP. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to say more. Only that I will just find you a way, show you the solution to your problem. Thank you and bye for now.